Hi and welcome to my maths class. Today we're going to do a summary of the common errors we have discussed in previous videos. Now, signs, numbers and unknowns are your basic common errors put into one. When we're talking of signs, it could refer to the concept of plus times plus is equal to plus, minus times minus is equal to plus, plus times minus is equal to minus, minus times plus is equal to plus. It could also refer to when we are adding or subtracting. So if I had a plus, so in other words one number plus another number, my answer would be plus. If I had minus, then subtract another number, my answer would be minus. If I had a positive minus, so in other words positive number minus another number, my answer would be positive or negative based on the bigger number. Now, when we are adding numbers, it is a positive. When we are subtracting numbers, it is a negative. But when we are multiplying, it is a positive. And if I say negative times negative, it's a positive. Then we have numbers. Numbers is basic multiplication or addition. Example, if I say 5 times 4, it's equal to 20. Or if I say 5 plus 4, it's equal to 9. Then the last concept is unknowns. Now when we're doing unknowns, we must be careful. When you multiply or divide, your unknowns change. But when you add or subtract, your unknowns stay the same. So if I had minus 5x cubed times minus 3x to the power 4, my signs, minus times a minus, is a positive. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. And then my unknowns, I am going to add the powers. So it will be x to the power 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. When I'm adding or subtracting unknowns, the only way it can work is if my unknowns are the same. Now here if you look, x to the power 3 and x to the power 4, they are not the same. So you can't do anything with that question. Your answer is exactly as the question. Minus 5x to the power 3 minus 3x to the power of 4. But what happens when they are the same? In other words, if I gave you minus 5x to the power 3 minus 3x to the power 3. Now, these unknowns are the same. So, I need to be careful. I am saying minus, and then I'm subtracting another minus, which means my answer is a minus. And then 5 and 3, I'm going to add them because it's minus 5 minus 3. Take, for example, you owe somebody 5 rand. You borrow another 3 rand from them, so you owe them 8 rand. But the last thing that is important is that the unknowns are the same. It does not change. The unknowns stay the same. So our final answer is minus 8x to the power 3. Thank you for watching this video.